Have your knees been feeling stiffer lately? Do your legs feel weaker, even though you haven't changed anything in your routine? For many people over 50, that dull ache in the knees, or the heavy feeling when climbing stairs, isn't just aging. It's a sign your joints and muscles are crying out for deeper nourishment.
Are you all right, dear?
And here's the twist. The solution might already be sitting quietly in your refrigerator. Yes, a simple cup of yogurt. But not just any yogurt. Scientists and nutritionists are now uncovering powerful ways. Certain types of yogurt can reduce inflammation, rebuild cartilage, and even strengthen leg muscles naturally. Forget fancy supplements or expensive treatments. This healing comes from real food that tastes great and works from the inside out.
To stronger joints.
In today's video, we'll reveal 5 groundbreaking yogurts designed especially for people over 50. Each one targeting pain, stiffness, and muscle loss in a unique way. From a protein-packed classic to a collagen-rich blend that rebuilds your joints, these yogurts are easy to find, easy to enjoy, and proven to make a difference. If you want to move easier, feel stronger, and keep doing what you love, this might be the simplest, most delicious remedy you'll ever discover. So grab your spoon, stay with me until the end, because yogurt number 5 may surprise you the most. 2. Turmeric Yogurt. The golden blend that turns your ordinary snack into a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Turmeric has long been used in traditional medicine for its healing properties, and modern science confirms why. It contains curcumin, a compound proven to reduce joint pain, stiffness, and swelling. But here's the secret. Curcumin alone isn't easily absorbed by the body. That's where yogurt comes in. Because curcumin is fat-soluble, combining it with full-fat yogurt allows your body to absorb it far more efficiently. The probiotics in yogurt also support gut health, helping reduce inflammation throughout your entire system. Add a pinch of black pepper. It enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. The result is a creamy, soothing treat that nourishes your joints and calms discomfort from within. You can make turmeric yogurt at home by mixing plain yogurt with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a dash of black pepper, and a drizzle of honey. Enjoy it as a snack or as a salad dressing. This golden blend doesn't just fight pain, it helps your body heal naturally, one spoonful at a time. 3. Collagen Boost Yogurt. The rebuilder for joints and skin. Now, let's move on to yogurt number 3. Collagen Boost Yogurt, the one that helps you rebuild from the inside out. As we age, the body's natural collagen production drops sharply, leading to joint stiffness, thinning cartilage,
So if we look
and
closely at the
visible
lumbar
signs of
region here,
aging
you can
like
see how the
wrinkles or
disc is
sagging
impacting the
skin.
nerve root. Our goal is to
Collagen is the
decompress
framework
this
that
area.
keeps your joints cushioned and your skin firm. And without enough of it, both start to wear down. This is where Collagen Boost Yogurt comes in. By adding a scoop of hydrolyzed collagen powder, unflavored, to a cup of Greek yogurt, you provide your body with the amino acids it needs to repair cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. The hydrolyzed form absorbs quickly, making it one of the most effective ways to restore joint strength naturally. For even better results, mix in vitamin C-rich fruits like strawberries or kiwi. They help your body synthesize collagen more efficiently. Top it off with a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds for zinc, and you've got a simple, delicious, and science-backed joint repair snack. This is nourishment that works at the molecular level, rebuilding tissue, easing pain, and helping you move with confidence again. 4. Matcha Yogurt, the antioxidant fuel for energy and endurance. Coming in at number 4 is Matcha Yogurt, a bright green blend that does far more than just taste good. Matcha, a finely ground green tea powder, is one of nature's most powerful antioxidants. It's rich in EGCG, epigallocatechin galate, a compound that helps reduce inflammation, protect muscle cells from aging, and improve circulation.
This visualization clearly shows the improvement in your blood circulation.
Better energy,
the heart is
less
pumping
muscle
much
fatigue,
more efficiently
and
now.
faster recovery after physical activity. When combined with protein-rich yogurt, matcha becomes a double-strength formula for endurance. The natural caffeine in matcha gives you gentle, sustained energy without the crash that comes from coffee, while yogurt's probiotics support gut health and nutrient absorption.
Wow,
This
that
combo
stretch
helps
feels
you feel
amazing.
lighter, stronger, and more focused
I
throughout
know,
the day.
I feel so energized
You
now.
can make your own by whisking half a teaspoon of premium Japanese ceremonial matcha powder, link in description, into a cup of plain yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey or a few slices of banana for a creamy, energizing treat. Matcha yogurt isn't just refreshing, it's a natural way to recharge your muscles, support your heart, and keep your body feeling young from the inside out. 5. Kefir Yogurt, the probiotic powerhouse for healing and recovery. We arrive at yogurt number 5. Kefir Yogurt, the fermented superstar that takes gut and joint health to the next level. Kefir isn't your regular yogurt. It's thinner, tangier, and far richer in live cultures. In fact, it contains more than 30 strains of probiotics and yeasts, making it one of the most powerful natural sources of gut-friendly bacteria on the planet. For people over 50, that means better digestion, stronger immunity, and, most importantly, less inflammation. These probiotics don't just help your stomach, they directly influence how your joints feel. A balanced gut can lower inflammatory markers, which in turn helps reduce stiffness,
Yes,
pain,
just
and
perfect.
swelling.
And the sun,
Kefir also
and the
improves
sun
nutrient
feels so
absorption,
warm.
allowing your body to use more calcium, vitamin D, and protein from the foods you eat. If you can't find fresh kefir near you, try a daily probiotic supplement such as Garden of Life Doctor Formulated. Once daily probiotics. Link in description. But if you can, drink a cup of kefir before bed. Its natural enzymes promote overnight recovery, calm inflammation, and support muscle repair. This is the perfect finish to your yogurt routine. A gentle, restorative way to end the day and wake up feeling renewed. Conclusion: the power of 1 spoon a day. So there you have it. 5 yogurts that do far more than just please your taste buds. Each one plays a unique role in keeping your body strong, flexible, and youthful. Greek yogurt fuels your muscles. Turmeric yogurt fights inflammation. Collagen yogurt rebuilds joints and skin. Matcha yogurt boosts energy and endurance. And kefir yogurt restores balance from within. You don't need to overhaul your diet or spend money on complicated supplements. Just 1 cup of the right yogurt each day can help your body heal naturally, improve mobility, and give you the strength to keep doing what you love. Remember, consistency is the secret. Small, smart choices, every day, lead to big changes over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss future health tips. And if you want to explore the exact products mentioned today, from bulk supplements whey protein to hydrolyzed collagen, turmeric curcumin, matcha powder, and probiotics, the links are waiting for you in the description below.
Come from age.
Stay consistent, stay strong, and remember, Sometimes healing begins with something as simple as a spoonful of yogurt.